Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today we are going to see question number 6. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 given by relation R equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. You have to show that it is symmetric, neither reflexive nor transitive. Okay? First given relation R, question number 6. Relation R equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay? Here it is one word question. Okay? Set A. Let us take 1, 2, 3. Again A 1, 2, 3. Okay? But they have given the relation. Okay? R equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Therefore, you have to check those two elements only. 1, 2 and 2, 1. Okay? First condition, you have to check three conditions. Okay, reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, reflexive का मतलब for every A belongs to capital A. Therefore, here 1, 1 not belongs to R. Okay, therefore here it is not reflexive relation. Okay, next symmetric. Symmetric relation A comma B belongs to R. Here A is nothing but 1, B is 2. Okay, next B comma A 2 comma 1 also belongs to R. See here B comma A belongs to R. Therefore it is symmetric relation. Okay, finally transitive relation. Here in transitive relation A comma B. Okay, A comma B belongs to R. Next 2 comma 1. Here it is B, here C. Therefore belongs to R. Okay, A comma B, B comma C belongs to R, but A comma C 1 comma 1 not belongs to R. See here not belongs to R 1 comma 1. Therefore here it is not transitive. ठीक है, transitive relation. Therefore you have to write neither reflexive nor transitive but symmetric relation. Okay, see here it is satisfied. Okay, next question number 7. So that the relation R in the set A of all the books in a library of a college given by relation R equal to set x comma y such that x and y have same number of pages is an equivalence relation. Okay, you have to show that it is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation का मतलब R S T. You have to satisfy this alphabet order. R का मतलब reflexive, S का मतलब symmetric, T का मतलब transitive. Okay, you have to satisfy this तीन relation. ठीक है. Question number 7. R equal to set x comma y such that x and y have same number of pages. ठीक है, same number of pages. This question is similar to the in the same locality, live in the same locality, having a we have studied in question number 1. The same question is here. Okay, first you have to satisfy reflexive. For reflexive, for every a belongs to capital A, therefore here x comma x belongs to R, because x and x have the same number of pages. Okay, same number of pages, therefore here it is reflexive relation. ठीक है. Next, symmetric. For symmetric, x comma y belongs to R. Next, y comma x also belongs to R. Here it is A, B. The places is interchanged. Here B, A. ठीक है. In a college library, the books are just interchange their locations. Okay, x is kept in first rack, y is kept in second rack. Now here y is kept in first rack and x is kept in second rack in a library. Okay, this is the meaning here. Therefore here it is belongs to R. You have to write x and y have same number of pages. ठीक है, same number of pages, therefore here it is symmetric relation. ठीक है. Next, transitive relation. Transitive relation का मतलब x comma y belongs to R, y comma z. You have to take another term for comparison. Here it is A, here B, here it is B, C. Therefore A comma B, B comma C. Okay, it is belongs to R. Now AC, x comma Z belongs to R. ठीक है. Another book Z. Okay, it also having same number of pages. ठीक है. See here, you have to write x and y have same number of pages. ठीक है. And y and z have same number of pages. ठीक है. Finally, if x and y have same number of pages and y and z have same number of pages, therefore x and z also have same number of pages. ठीक है. In a library, you have to take another book. The another book also having the same number of pages. Example for x, here 150 page. Okay, Therefore, the another book also contain the same number of pages, 150. It is satisfying. Therefore, here x comma z belongs to R. Okay? Therefore, here it is satisfying the transitive relation. Okay? Okay. Next, question number 8. Question number 8. So that the relation R in the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? R equal to relation set A comma B such that modulus A minus B is even, is an equivalence relation. Okay, you have to show that it is an equivalence relation. Okay, here given set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relation R equal to A comma B such that modulus A minus B is even. Okay? If you draw the graph, you can understand clearly. Here A, again A. For A 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay? I am taking 1, 3. For A here it is 1. For B 3. If you subtract 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Taking modulus, here it will become plus 2. Okay? Next, you have to check all other terms like this. First 1, 3, 1, 5. Next 1, 5. Here it is A, B. Therefore, 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. Here taking modulus, minus 4 will become plus 4. Here it is even. Okay? Same 3, 1. Here 5, 1 or belongs to R. Okay? You have to satisfy all three conditions because here it is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation का मतलब you have to check all three conditions. In question number 7 also here you have to write equivalence relation because in question number 7 it is satisfied now. Okay, here now first condition reflexive का मतलब for every A belongs to capital A. Therefore, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 5, 5 belongs to R. If you subtract 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, therefore it is even. Okay? Here it is satisfying. Therefore, it is reflexive relation. Okay? Okay. Next, symmetric. For symmetric, 1, 3 belongs to R. Therefore, 3, 1 also belongs to R. Next, 1, 5 belongs to R. 5, 1 belongs to R. If you are taking here modulus, it will become plus only. Therefore, here it is an even number. Okay? Therefore, here also it is satisfying. Therefore, here it is symmetric relation. Okay? Symmetric relation. Okay? Last condition, you have to check whether it is a transitive or not. For transitive, 1, 3 belongs to R. ठीक है, 3,5 here 3,5 okay belongs to R. Here therefore it is A B. Here B C. Okay, A B belongs to R, B C belongs to R. Therefore A C 1,5. Here it is A B. If you subtract it, 1 minus 5 equal to minus 4. Taking modulus minus 4 equal to plus 4. Here it is an even number. Okay? Therefore, here it is belongs to R because it is satisfying now. Belongs to R. Therefore, AC here. Okay? It is belongs to R. Therefore, here it is satisfying the transitive relation. It is satisfying all the three conditions. Therefore R S T. Okay, satisfying three conditions here. Therefore it is equivalence relation. Okay. Okay, next in question number 8, 1,3, 5 are related to each other and are the element of 2, 4 are related to each other. Okay, here if 1, 3, 5 it should be related to each other. Matlab 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, again 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 3, 3, 5. It is ordered pair. Okay, here if you take A B for every element, here it is satisfying because 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2 and taking modulus equal to plus 2. Okay, here it is an even number. Therefore here it is satisfying every term. 4 is an even number. Here 5 minus 3 equal to 2. 2 is an even number. Okay, it is satisfying every term. Therefore here it is related to each other here. Okay, next 2, 4 for this ordered pair. First 2, 4, next 4, 2. Therefore here it is satisfying the condition. Okay, here A B here subtracting, it will become minus 2. Minus 2 taking modulus equal to plus 2. Plus 2 again it is an even number. Okay, here also it is satisfying. Now 1, 3, 5 is related to 2, 4. Okay, is related to this. Therefore see here 1 minus 2. Here subtract minus 1. Okay, plus 1 is odd number. Okay, here it is not satisfying. Okay, therefore no element, we have tried, no element of 1, 3, 5 is related to any element of 2, 4. Okay, if you related to 1, 2, otherwise 1, 4, here it will be an odd number. Okay, okay, I hope you all understand the question. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you.